All right, so let's take a look at what the application would look like from a truck's point of view. So I, as the truck crew, will launch the mobile application on my device, and I'll see this screen. I'll click on Get Started, and I will see all of the requests that have been assigned to me. So if I tap on one of these requests, it's going to give me a job summary card as to what the job is about, where it is, who it's for, etc. So at this point, I will then go to the job site. I'll perform the requests that they have asked me to perform. And let's fast forward to when the job has been complete. I'll go back into this mobile application and I will simply click on Complete to enter my completion data. And so I'll enter things like the date and time completed, the amount of truck hours, overtime standby, travel, burner, and water fee, water units of measure associated with it. I will have the option to select the type of dump or slurry that is appropriate, and I'll even be able to take a picture of the slurry slip and whether or not the call out was met, yes or no, and whether or not I need to add any additional comments. Okay, so I'll enter that information and I will then click Submit, and I'll get a confirmation message indicating that my submission data has been saved.